Good morning, traders. In light of the coronavirus, there are still a couple of pairs that I'm extremely interested in, so I just wanted to share these with you. Aussie Kiwi is the first. Obviously, when the pandemic started, this was the initial move. Now we're seeing a pullback. That pullback is to a decent monthly level. The daily 50 EMA, and then if we look at Fibonacci, so let's just draw the Fibonacci handle in, you can see that does line up with 618 Fibonacci as well, so we've got quite a few confluences here. But if we go down to the lower time frames, we can see we will have a clear entry. So all as I'm simply waiting for is de-acceleration, and then most likely a break and retest of this 1 hour 50 EMA, and then I'll take this short. CAD yen, it's a similar story, but I don't like it as much. On the weekly it does make sense because you can see that we have broken this upward sloping trend line, coming to retest it. But we can see all the EMAs, all the value, Fibonacci won't line up either, is quite some way away, so I'm expecting sort of a further up move on this one. Pound dollar, looking like a great setup at the moment. This is on the weekly, but you can see that we have broken these weekly lows. Coming to retest now the 1.2 handle, which is a key handle. If we go back, I haven't actually paid for my, I need to update trading view, but if we go back, this 1.2 handle is historic. You can see we're coming to retest it at the moment. When we retest this, we would need to line up with the EMA, so you can see that the 4 hour EMA is being rejected at the moment. We'll wait for some consolidation, but when that 4 hour 50 EMA breaks again, that's when I'll be interested. This could pull back slightly more. Remember, sort of 1.2 is a zone, so if we draw the Fibonacci levels here, we might see something here on the 382. I'd be surprised if it goes up to 618, but it could do. You just have to wait and see and stay safe. But to enter this, I will need to see the break of the 4 hour 50 EMA before I'm interested. And there's one more here, Kiwi Swiss as well. So waiting on Kiwi Swiss to see what happens, but we can see we're in an interesting area here. If we see a break and retest here, then I'll probably target around this level here. Just because of that pullback, and then we'll probably see a continuation lower because the Swiss franc is a safe haven currency, and it will outperform the Kiwi, especially in a recession.